My name is Desaital Ashramik Vidyalaya Killa Padi, Standard 8, Subject English. Chapter 9, Part 2. The years went on, and Ernest grew to be a young man. He attracted little notice from the inhabitants of the valley. They saw nothing remarkable in his way of life, except that when the labor of the day was over, they still loved to gaze upon the great stone face. Their idea was that this was a folly, but pardonable because Ernest was industrious, kind, and neighborly. They did not know that the great stone face had become a teacher to him, and that the sentiment which was expressed in it would enlarge the young man's heart and fill it with deeper sympathies and than other hearts. They did not know that from this would come a better wisdom than could learn by books. Neither did not Ernest know that the thoughts which came to him so. He went to open meeting place along with the boy and Ernest, another son of Valley. He joined, and Ernest grown up to be a young man, and every day he would go up by himself and gaze upon the great stone face. He wondered why its likeness was delaying its appearance. By this time Gathergold had become poor and died without establishing and his likeness with the stone face. Another son of the valley had joined the army as a soldier many years before. He had become a famous commander by then and came to be known as General Blood and Thunder on the battlefield. In the fields and at the fireside were of a higher tone than those which all men said with him, a simple soul, simple as when as his mother first told him the old story, and he beheld the marvellous face looking down the valley, and still wondered why its human likeness was so long in coming. By this time, poor Mr. Gathergold was dead and buried his wealth, which was the body and spirit of his existence, and disappeared before his death, since the melting away of his gold, and it had been generally agreed that there was no great likeness after all between the ruined merchant and the majestic face upon the mountain. By this time Gathergold had become poor and died without establishing his likeness with the stone face. Another son of the valley had joined the army as a soldier many years before. He had become a famous commander by then and came to be known as General Blood and Thunder on the battlefield. It so happened that another son of the valley had become soldier many years before after a great deal of hard fighting, and he was now famous commander battlefield by the name of the Blood and Thunder. Old and tired now, he had lately expressed a desire to return to his native valley. The inhabitants, his old neighbors and their grown up children prepared to welcome the renewed commander. It was being said that at last the likeness of the great stone face had actually appeared. Great therefore was the excitement throughout the valley, and many people who had never once again and gazing at the great stone and face now. On the day of the general's arrival, Ernest and all the other people of the valley and Thunder's face, and however would he hear and several voice. It's the same face exactly, cried on one dancing and for joy. And wonderfully like it's that fact, replied another. And why not? Cried a third. He has greatest man of this or any other age beyond a doubt. Ernest at large could see the general's face, and in the same glance to the side he could also see the Gladstone face. If there was a such a likeness as crowd proclaimed, Ernest could not reconcile it, and fear not, Ernest said his heart, as if the Gladstone face was whispering to him, "Fear not, Ernest, he will come." The gathering mistook him as the greatest man of all time. Ernest failed to reconcile any likeness between blood and thunder and the great stone face. His heart assured him that the real face and still to come. Okay, and this chapter will complete. I will write question answers, MCQ, true, false, blank, and send you a PDF. Please, you will write in your English notebook, because exam times you will told you say me, "Teacher, I format a PDF. Please send me next time." But you will remember, I will not send PDF in next time. Okay? And please, you will write in your notebook and prepare for question answers, MCQ, blank. Okay? Thank you.